EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martins here with your outlook for January 27th, 2023. It is Friday, end of the work week finally, and the Friday video forecast is proudly sponsored by McCall Collective Brewing. McCall is a family-owned and operated business with 2 locations in the Lehigh Valley. Their original Southside Allentown location at 102 East Susquehanna Street is open 7 days a week. Features a full food menu and over 17 different beers to choose from, along with local wine and cocktails. And they have trivia nights every Wednesday evening. At their second location, McCall Collective Tap House in Trexlertown, located at 7743 Hamilton Boulevard, you can find 10 beers on draft, along with a house-smoked barbecue menu that is open 7 days a week as well. For more information about their upcoming events, visit their Facebook page, or to place online orders, visit their website, McCallCollectiveBrewing.com. Proud sponsors of the Friday video forecast. So today is not going to be much different than yesterday. As far as sky condition is concerned, you're going to have temperatures a little bit lower, but the wind is not going to be as great as what we saw on Wednesday. Wind is not going to be an issue today. Temperatures are going to be 32 to 43 in a spread from northwest to southeast across the region today. Most areas are going to be partly cloudy from our central and southern areas. A little bit more in the way the clouds in our far northern and northwestern areas today, but no precipitation to speak of. And then over the weekend, we're going to have temperatures warm a little bit. We have this system passing off to our north here is going to drag a little bit of warmer air into the weekend, and high pressure is going to move off the coast. This high pressure is going to be centered off the coast here and get a return flow of warmer air around this high pressure for both Saturday and Sunday. Okay, so temperatures are going to be well into the 40s. Both Saturday and Sunday. Intervals of cloud and sun we're expecting on Saturday. And then Sunday, mostly cloudy, and then we'll have an opportunity for a late day shower in a few spots. This is very light, and there's not much to it, okay? I don't have the NAM completely in range. Well, actually, I do have the NAM in range. It's not as aggressive as this as far as how fast it is. So, and if we look at the NAM here late in the day here on Sunday, we're watching for of course, the NFC Championship game here in South Philadelphia at 3 o'clock. It could be a passing shower, but it wouldn't be anything that would affect the game in any way. But certainly not tailgating. But after that point, once you get into the game itself, there could be just a brief stray shower. So we left a 20% chance of a shower late in the day here on Sunday. And then just an isolated chance here overnight, okay? And that's it, okay? That's all we're dealing with. And the same thing here on Monday in its wake. Still an opportunity with the system passing off our south here to have an isolated shower here on Monday as well. So not a lot of rain that we're talking about in this situation, just a passing quick shower, and that's it. But all 3 of those days, Saturday and Sunday, are going to be above average, and we're going to have temperatures well into the 40s. And in some southeastern areas, we'll be near 50 for highs here in those days, maybe even the lower 50s by the time we get to Sunday. Okay. Once we get past this system here, this has a cold front situated with it that's going to push through. Now, the next system coming in is going to be on later on Tuesday night, into Wednesday morning, and there's still some question where this boundary is going to be setting up. So the cold front that's dragged through is bringing in colder air for Tuesday. So Tuesday, the temperatures go down a little bit, and they're on either side of 40 degrees for highs. And then we have this system here that's going to slide off to the south on the European model, just to our south, and get in our southern areas a few snow showers Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Okay, I will tell you that with this particular system, even though this is largely passing off to our south, the Canadian model is further north. So it's going to depend on how quickly that boundary, where that boundary is going to determine where the low tracks for the Tuesday night into Wednesday morning time frame. So think of it like almost like railroad tracks, right? You have a train is going down a railroad track, and it can't turn left and right unless you switch the tracks, right? It's just going in one general direction, and that's it. And wherever that baroclinic boundary is, right, and that is where this boundary in this case is right here. So the low pressure is tracking, even though it's weak, it's still tracking along that boundary further to the south. And then on the Canadian model that I'm showing you here, which is this one here, the boundary is much farther to the north. If we can get something in the middle, and this is just a timing issue where there's low tracks, if you get something in the middle there, you can get snow a little bit further to the north, okay? So we just don't know where this boundary is going to be just yet. And because we don't know where that boundary is, that we don't know what the low pressure is going to do. So it's very simple. If the track is south of here, or just south of here, you'll have snow to the north of it, and you'll have rain to the south. Pretty simple, right? But it's not that simple because we have to determine where this boundary is going to be. Okay, and that's in a Tuesday night and a Wednesday morning time frame. Could be some snow showers, could be some light accumulating snow. We just don't know yet. We're going to have to watch for the next couple of days and over the weekend and see what happens where this boundary sets up. And is this going to be even strong enough to really provide any overrunning snow? Okay, that's what this is. It's an overrunning precipitation situation. Beyond this system, there's another one right behind it, and that would be coming for the following weekend. We're going to wait and see what this one does, but there's the opportunity for snow right around February 4th, which is our storm signal period in our long-range outlook. I'm going to be doing the long-range again on this morning. We're going to be doing the long-range again for this week. It's going to be maintained as a storm signal for that February 4th time frame. But it does look like this system preceding it, which is Tuesday night and Wednesday morning, it will be the first of the two signals, as long as this doesn't just disappear. Okay, it's very possible it's shunted off further to the south, and this low is very weak along this boundary, and you don't get much at all. So we'll continue to watch over the next couple of days. Thursday of next week, which is the rounding out our 7-day forecast period, goes back to partly cloudy, much colder temperatures with this boundary off to our south. We are going to get into colder temperatures as we get into early February. We already knew this, but it's going to last about a week or so, and hopefully that if you're a snow lover, you're going to get something in there that is beneficial to you as far as some accumulating snow, because that's a window of opportunity, a very narrow window of opportunity for some accumulating snow, but there is an opportunity nevertheless between February 2nd through about the 7th or 8th time frame. Okay, that week there, we'll have an opportunity for some systems to come in here. If they do come in, it favors snow. Okay, after that, southeast ridge comes back, and we have a little bit more of a warmer push with that southeast ridge influence kicking in during week 2 of February. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marchus. That is your outlook for January 27th, 2023. Have a great Friday.